Yep. I've been thinking about life, like, how did we get here?
What you mean? How were you even created, High Math Star?
It all started many years ago. We were floating, lonely, lost in a large cloud of gas. Suddenly, I could feel the gravity collapsing in on me.
No way, I remember the exact same thing happening to me.
For real?
Yeah, all of a sudden, it started getting really hot, and that's when I knew the hydrogen fusion was starting.
That's exactly what happened to me.
Thankfully for us, the hydrogen fusion supported us from the gravity. What would we do without it? Our cores were both running low on hydrogen.
We could feel something pushing down on our core. It was the gravity overcoming our internal heat pressure.
Next thing you know, my outer layers were expanding and I had turned into a red giant. I started feeling a little warmer, something like 100 million degrees. Even my helium began to burn out.
Wait, what?
All that carbon in my core made me a red giant again. I think that's when I became a planetary nebula. And now this all that remains of me is a white dwarf star with a carbon core.
Wait a minute. That ain't what happened to me. Wait a minute. That ain't what happened to me.
What you mean?
I didn't care about you, but for me, after I started feeling warm and my helium started to run low, I wasn't burning up as fast anymore. Or at least, that's what I thought, right up until my gravity took over. Right up until my gravity took over and all my heavier elements started to burn up as well. Unlike you, I turned into a hot, dense iron core that couldn't burn away anymore. And then all of a sudden, I went boom!
What?
There was a massive explosion. The gravity had taken over. Inside of me, I can feel all my particles violently colliding with each other. All of a sudden, I had formed all the remaining elements of the periodic table. IDK about you, but I'm gonna become either a neutron star or a black hole.